Today we're featuring Marine Town's button release door latch. Designed for use on tuna and transom doors, their heavy-duty construction are ideal for these applications. They're made entirely of 3/16 stainless steel and have an ergonomic button release which allows for one-handed operation, even on heavy doors. They feature a stop every 90 degrees, which not only makes them reversible, it reduces the chance of damage to the boat, as well as greater security against unintentional opening. They're available in 2 different sizes, as well as either a flush or a proud strike to accommodate both swing in or swing out doors. Both strikes incorporate a special cushion, which prevents metal-to-metal scratching. These latches are a breeze to install, with the fasteners hidden under the handle in the closed position after installation.